Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. आप सब बहुत अच्छे और कुशल होंगे और please comment down how do you like the tune in the start of the video. Hope you liked it that too. Sound is very interesting. It can be calm or soothing, or it can be a noisy thing. Instead, all the waves are very intriguing, I guess, because all the waves are the reason behind your senses. You can give you sensation of hearing, sensation of vision, sensation of feel. So all these waves are quite an interesting thing if you think about. Not only the sensation, according to a theory, everything in and every living being and non-living thing generates waves in their life cycle. Like this is a pen, so it is generating a wave currently in their entire life cycle until unless it boils down to zero. So that's waves. And as you read from the title of the video, scientists have found heartbeat. No, not exactly a heartbeat from space, but a FRB. It's a fast radio burst. I'll tell you all about what is FRB, what is they have found, how is it important to us, and how is this intriguing space run, how is that the exploration of space going with this FRB. So FRB, start with the FRB, fast radio burst, as I said, is a phenomena named to a signal coming from the space, far distant galaxies. FRB एक series of periodic radio waves है, if you can see in the simplest word, एक periodic radio waves है, and that comes from the distant galaxies जो scientists ने capture किए हैं. And it's very feeble but the source, the burst of this FRP is expected to have more energy than the sun creates in a year, like bursts releases in a year. So these are FRP. So FRB क्या है, clear हो गया. It's a radio wave जो एक periodic way में हम लोग को receive किया जा रहा है. Now where is it coming from? So there are experiments and there are some theories that say कि it is coming from some neutron stars or from distant galaxies. अब ये neutron stars क्या होता है? Neutron stars are basically a core of a superstar. A superstar is like 10 or 20 times of what sun is. That is a superstar. तो जब वो destroy होता है तो जो उनका core होता है, that is called a neutron star. So it is coming from them. It is a theory, not proven yet. First FRB was detected in 2007, although scientists were not able to point out the exact location where is it coming from, but they are coming from different regions, and one was detected from Milky Way galaxy in 2020 August. And in 2022 July also they have detected one FRB. And what's unique in this, like it is elongated for 3 seconds. Usually जो FRB आ रहे थे that was for millisecond or microsecond, but this one elongated for 3 seconds. So why is it important to us? Why why are scientists breaking their brains on these FRBs? क्या फ़ायदा होगा अगर एक सिग्नल है तो it's nothing like कि scientists are exploring this because it can be a heartbeat that some of alien or like some other conspiracy theory जो अभी चल रही है, they are not finding out aliens heartbeat out of FRBs. But what happens is, if you know the phenomena of sonar, अगर हमें वो source पता चल गया from the galaxy or from the star that releasing that FRB and which is reaching us in, the only benefit or the best thing about a FRB is it is periodic. It occurs every interval. तो अगर हमें मान लीजिए पता है कि this is the source, okay, अब यहाँ से FRB आ रहा है हमारे पास, तो if we located the point that this thing is releasing and what energy is reaching out, and we constantly monitor these FRBs. So this first FRB is monitored by CHIME telescope which is constantly monitoring these kind of radio waves. तो अगर हमें ये पता है कि इस पॉइंट से आ रहा है, ओके, and you know the stars, galaxies are expanding at some rate. तो when the frequency of this FRB, क्योंकि ये every intervals पे आ रहा है, and when we get to know like the frequency is getting changed, like when, so we know that the source, the point where it is released, वहाँ से वो source move हो रहा है. That's why the frequency of the FRB वो जो every period में आ रहा है, that is changing. When we found out like this point is releasing and this is the interval and this is the frequency change we got, we will able to find the clock of the expansion of the universe. और एक टाइम पे जो वो आपको रेट पता चल गया with the expansion of the universe, we will able to predict what was the start of the universe, how does it start, like how life comes into existence and how is it expanding. So that's why this is very important for scientists to observe these FRBs and to locate where is the source. और जिन लोग को अगर रेडियो वेव्स के बारे में नहीं पता, रेडियो वेव्स इज़ द सेम वेव्स इन विच योर मोबाइल फोन्स ऑपरेट, तो सिग्नल्स जाते हैं, बहुत सारे जो रेडियो स्टेशंस हैं जो चलते हैं वो रेडियो वेव्स होते हैं. सो दैट इज़ रेडियो वेव्स एंड यू नो लाइक रेडियो वेव्स हैव सम रेंज, सो मोबाइल फोन हैज़ सम रेंज, क्योंकि द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी जनरेटेड फॉर द वेव्स कैन ट्रांसमिट अ लिमिटेड डिस्टेंस और लिमिटेड प्लेस. सो इफ दैट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम that galaxy which is millions of light years away from us, तो उसको डिटेक्ट करना कितना मुश्किल काम होगा. So that's very feeble. That's about FRB, the heartbeat coming from the space. It's important how it's detected, everything. Please do let me know in the comment section below, how do you like this. Please like and subscribe to the channel, keep supporting the channel, and I have one more video in my mind. If you comment down below if you want it, I'll make it on something on Mars. Why is life is being searched on Mars and no other planet, or what is the possibilities of having life in Mars. So that's a completely new video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ayush Kumar signing off.